Sounding bad on Discord? Here's how to make your mic clearer, louder, and more professional in just a few steps. Like and subscribe for more Discord and mic tips. First, open Discord. Click the gear icon next to your name to open user settings. Then go to Voice and Video. Under Input Device, make sure your mic is selected, not your webcam or laptop mic. Then set input volume to around 75 to 90%. Too low is quiet, too high is distorted. Now scroll down and turn on these settings. Noise suppression helps block background sounds. Echo Cancellation, automatic gain control. If you sound too processed or robotic, try disabling noise reduction and automatic gain control to test how you sound naturally. Next step, mic placement. Keep it 6 to 10 inches from your mouth and off to the side to avoid harsh PNS sounds. Use a pop filter or a foam cover if you have one. If you want even better sound, use third-party software like NVIDIA Broadcast, Voicemeeter or Krisp for extra noise filtering and clarity. Now your mic should sound much better on Discord. Like and subscribe for more easy audio upgrades.